Hi guys, welcome to CAD CA tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a revolve cut. Revolve cut command is discussed here, and guys, Solidworks lecture 28 is discussed here, and this is a revolve cut is command is discussed here, and this is a very useful and helpful command, revolve cut. Okay, at first open a Solidworks software. Okay, this is our Solidworks software interface, and revolve cut command is a revolve cut command is a cut solid model by revolving a sketch profile around an axis. Okay, cut a solid model by revolving a sketch profile around an axis. Okay, at first select a plane. Plane is a front plane, drawing any geometry. Okay, this is a rectangle is drawing here. Okay, this is a some drag here, and this point is a horizontal. Okay, this is a mention any dimension is a 60 is correct, 65 is correct, and this is a 140 is correct. Okay, and this point is distance between 65 is better. Okay, and exit, and again select a front plane is drawing a axis. At first drawing a profile, and second is drawing a axis, and this body is revolve this axis. Okay, this is a this. Okay, exit, and at first select a sketch first and draw use a revolve boss base, and then this is a select here and select this axis, and body is revolve. Okay, this is a perfect. This is a revolve boss base is drawing here, and then white page and select a cartoon. This is a perfect. Okay, this is a perfect, and again then use a revolve cut. Okay, again select a front plane is this is a and some circle is drawing here. This is a this point is a draw here. This is a correct. Okay, and this is a drag here, and mention any dimension. This is diameter is 100 is better. Okay, and this center point is also this is a this point, and this point is a horizontal point is, and exit. Okay, this profile is drawing here, and this is axis is also use here. Okay, and click a revolve cut. Okay, this is a this profile is at first click here and use a revolve cut, and this profile is a select here. Okay, this is a click here. This body is preview is showing here. Okay, this is a correct. Okay, this body is a correct. This body is a hide, and axis is hide, and 3D body is drawing here easily, and some use a color is a this pink color is better, and this is a correct. Okay, this color is nice here. Okay, this body is super looking here. Okay, this is a revolve cut command. Okay, guys, I hope you will learn this command is very easily and clearly. Guys, any doubt about this lecture, then you go to comment box and write a comment, And guys, get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Guys, next lecture is coming soon, and today discuss here a revolve cut is a complete here, and next lecture is coming soon. Okay guys, thank you. Hi guys, welcome to CAD CA tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a sweep cut command is discuss here. And guys, today discuss here Solidworks lecture 29 is discuss here, and this command is a swept cut. Swept cut command is very useful and helpful command. Use a new create a design. And guys, at first open a Solidworks software. Okay, this 3D body is a create here, already a create here, and this body is use a swept cut. Okay guys, at first select any face. This face is a select here and draw a any profile. Select a sketch, okay, and normal, and select a any profile. Select here. Okay, this is a circle is a drawing here. Okay, this is a drawing a circle, and mention any dimension. Dimension is a okay, dimension is a 48. Okay, this is correct. Okay, and exit. Okay, and click a sweep cut. Sweep cut means at first already select a profile. Profile is already select here, and this is a path is select. Then click here, and this is a use a this. Okay, this is a path. Path is a preview is showing here. Okay, this is a correct. And first is a profile and second is path is select here, and this body is active. Okay, this is a correct. Okay, this is a correct. And okay, this body is a select a. Okay, this body is a select a color. Color is a this white color. This is easily see here. This is a correct. Okay, and this body is a normal, and this is a correct. Okay, this is a correct. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, guys, sweep cut command is a discuss here, and this means some important command, some important point is learn here. Means cut a solid model by sweeping a close profile along and open a close path. Okay, 2 point is very important. First is closing profile, and second is a open a close path. Okay, first is a closing profile and second point is a open a close path. 2 point is very important, and then sweep cut command is active. Okay, guys, I hope you will learn this command is very easily and clearly. Guys, any doubt about this lecture, then you go to comment box and write a comment. Okay guys, get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, next lecture is coming soon. Okay guys, thank you. Hi guys, welcome to CAD CA tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a lofted cut command is discussed here. Guys, today discuss here a SolidWorks lecture 30 is discussed here, and SolidWorks all 3D commands learn easily, explain all these points deeply and clearly. Okay guys, lofted cut is very important and very useful and helpful command learn a SolidWorks. Okay, and guys, at first open a SolidWorks software. Okay guys, a 3D body is a drawing, already drawing here, because this is a use a lofted cut. Okay, this is a lofted boss base is drawing here, this body, and this body is use a help of a lofted cut. Okay, this is body is very helpful for this command, lofted cut command is use here. Okay guys, some important point is discussed here. Lofted cut is some important point learn here, means cut a solid model by removing material between two or more profile. Okay, at first two or more profile is drawing here and some cut material is removing. Okay, two or more profile is drawing here. Okay, again learn here, cut a solid model by removing material is removing between two or more profile is drawing here. Okay, at first drawing a first is a already is discussed here. Fourth plane is first plane, second plane, third plane and fourth plane. Okay, and more than one plane is a use here. At first drawing a first plane. Okay, a sketch and normal is a this body is a use a this is a rectangle is drawing here, this is a rectangle. Okay, this is a perfect. First is exit and second is also a sketch normal, a drawing a circle is a very nice. Okay, this is a perfect and exit. Okay, and again third body is a sketch normal. Okay, and again drawing a rectangle, some rectangle is a okay, this is a perfect. Okay, this body is a correct here. Okay, some use a this is a perfect exit, and fourth is a sketch normal, and this is a circle is drawing here, this is a drawing a circle. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, exit. Okay, one by one is a 4 point is discussed here. First is rectangle, second is circle, third is rectangle, again fourth is circle. Okay, and use a lofted cut. Okay, click a lofted cut and okay, clear here, because at first point is select here. Okay, this is a first point, and second is this profile, and third is this profile. Okay, and fourth is this profile. Okay, this is a cutting looking profile is so nice. Okay, this is a cut. Okay, this is a correct. This body is cut here. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, and plane is hide. Okay, this plane is also hide, and this plane is also hide, and this plane is also hide. Okay, this is a perfect cutting here, so nice. Okay, and okay, lofted cut is a okay, this is a white color. Okay, looking so nice, you can see here, this is a perfect. Okay, this is a cut here, and perfect. Okay, okay, this body is perfect looking here. Okay, looking so nice. Okay, this body is correct. Okay, this is perfect. Okay, this is a isometric is a drawing this body, so looking perfect. Okay, okay, this is a nice looking here. Okay, okay, guys, I hope you will learn this command is very easily and clearly. Guys, any doubt about this lecture, then you go to comment box and write a comment. And guys, get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, next lecture is coming soon. Okay, okay guys, thank you.